All right, I'm Sean Kennedy with Ikan, and we're at InfoComm 2022. I want to talk to you a little bit about our PTZ Teleprompter turnkey solution. This year at InfoComm, we're actually focusing a lot on our all-in-one turnkey solutions. That includes like your teleprompters, your tripod or pedestals with your dollies. This particular model here is one of interest because it's our first one to incorporate PTZs. So basically, if you come around here, you can see that we have a full enclosure for our PTZ cameras, and these are our own PTZ cameras. This one in particular is a 4K that does 25x zoom. This one, it comes bundled with this, this kit. It also outputs SDI and HDMI as well, 4K 60 frames per second, NDI HX. These bundles, you can either get them with or without talent monitors. You can get them with or without SDI connectors. You can either get them with pedestal or tripod. All of them come with dollies. This one in particular, we were able to, switch it out with a 100 millimeter flat base instead of having a fluid head. So this way you can just do your preliminary tilt maybe to get the monitor out of your shot, and then from there, once you have that set up, you can do all of your primary panning and tilting with the actual camera itself. So that about does it with this SKU here. If you want any more information, come visit us at our booth here, or come to our website at www.icancorp.com.